Hey everyone, this is a 48-inch Hunter Discovery ceiling fan. This fan is dated, I believe it's like the 20-something week of 2017. This fan was in my room for a very long time. It's my first ceiling fan. Was really happy when I got this. Yeah, I kind of grew out of it. It's an awesome fan to have still, but I did grow out of it being in my room. So I got the Silent Breeze, and then it became the Vista, and then it became a lot of things after the Vista. But yeah, this is still a pretty good performer for a post-2012 Hunter fan. Although the medium speed is really sad. It's still in great shape. I have this star fob still, but they no longer have, like, chain in them, so I cannot use the star fobs anymore. I don't know what happened to them. This is a great performing fan still. And it is very cool to look at still. I have just LED bulbs in there. It's got the ball light kit, and it would originally have this plate. Anyways, there's low. I'll turn the light on again. We'll go up to medium. Medium was never much different than low. That's what I don't like about this fan, although it does blow an excellent breeze on medium. And we'll go up to high. It does kick up quite a bit on high. Blades are somehow in great shape still. And it does have a wobble though. Yeah, it kicks up quite a bit on high. It definitely goes a decent speed. And the airflow is actually really good, which is really surprising. Like, the airflow from this fan is really, really good. I'll turn it off. Thank you for watching. Bye.